Okay, we've got one more tutorial for you guys, and hopefully we won't have any more. But I've gotten a few emails from some of you guys saying that your game has been rejected from the marketplace because of the sound. And if you've had any other errors, I need to know, because then we need to fix these. But sound has been one of the ones that I've seen, and what it is they want you to give the option for the user to adjust the volume of the background music if they want, and to turn it on and off. Same thing with the sounds. You can kind of get away with it and not having an option to turn it off. But we did adjust for if the user was already playing music, but apparently that wasn't enough. So we've got another tutorial to do. And to get started, we're going to go ahead and make an options page. So to get started, I'm here in the main page.xaml, and over here in the toolbox, again, that's up here, and toolbox, I'm going to add a new button. And in this button, this is going to be our button for the options page. And you can lay out your main menu however you want. But here I'm going to go button, options. Okay, and then when I double click on the options, double click again, there it goes. Then it's given the default name of button 2. When you double click on it, it doesn't matter what it is. But I'm going to copy this line. Oops. Undo copy and paste it right here, and change high score to options. Options page. Okay, but we need an options page. So right click on your game and add new item, a landscape page, and call this options page. Okay, and you're going to be a little bit lucky again, because I'm giving you the code for these things. I'm not going to make you write them out. But here is the options.xaml, so just highlight it all, copy it, and then highlight it all, paste it, and then don't forget to change your namespace. So mine's Mitchell's game, and this is what it looks like. There's a checkbox for sound, a checkbox for music, and then a slider for your volume, and then a home button. These should already be all linked up, and they should know what they're the events driven. And then so we have the options XAML. Where'd it go? And we need to alter the options XAML.cs page. And again, we've got that right here, and I'll give you guys a link for this. Copy it all, or highlight it all, paste it, and then change the Mitchell's game. Change the namespace. Oh, so we're getting an error here. But what's happening is when that button is clicked, we're navigating back to the main page. When that slider's value has changed, if it's not null, then our media player.volume equals the sound's volume. When the checkbox 2, which is the music, when it's checked, and if it's not null, then the music is on, and then the slider value and the volume equal 1. We reset it to 1. And then when the checkbox 2, it's the same music checkbox. It's checkbox 1, checkbox 2. When it's unchecked, we stop whatever's playing, if anything is playing. Say the music on is false, and set the volume to 0. And then checkbox 1 is the sound. We just say the sound is off or on or off. And we're getting errors here on music on because we need to add them here. So go to your game page, or your main page. Main page.xaml.cs. And right here, we are going to add public static bool is sound on equals true. We're setting these to true by default, no matter, just whenever the game is started. Public static bool is music on equals true. So we're setting those to true just to begin with. And now our errors will go away. Our errors have gone. Yeah. But we still have more to do in the game page. We just need to tell our game pretty much what to do. So scroll around and find the music, handle sound stuff. Handle music, handle sound. And so we have this big if statement. We're going to add one more thing to this if statement. And main page dot is music on equals true. So if that music is on and it's not already playing and the game has control, then we can play our music. And the volume is adjusted outside of this page. So that's all we need for that. And then, but we also need to adjust the sound, the sound effects that are playing. And I believe, here's one, check bullet collision. So we can just say if main page dot is sound on, and let's open it up and stick it in there. If the sound is on, then we'll play it. If it's not, it's going to skip it. So that's it for that one, and then we need to find check bullet collision, and then check, let me find it. There's another one, check, where else do, oh, it's shoot bullet is where we make the make bullet. Here, this one. So inside the make bullet, do another if main page dot is sound on. And let's lower that sound a little bit. And we'll give it a go. Alright, so now we have our third button. Click on that, takes us to our page here. We have a volume control. Sound on, off. When it's off, it stops everything and does that. On, so but they're both on right now. Let's run it. Already died. Alright. So our music is still playing. We go to options, turn it off, it turns off. Now if we play it, only our sound effects are playing. If we go back to the options, turn the music or the sound off, then nothing's playing. Or we could go back and turn the music on, and only the music and no sound effects are playing. Add these lines of code. Yes, follow this tutorial, and then you will not get that error. And again, when or if you guys have gotten an email and you have something different other than sound, let me know, and we'll address it in class. So okay, cool. We'll see you in class then.